学历是找工作的敲门砖。
敲门砖, 敲门砖. In Chinese, 敲门砖, literally a brick for knocking at the door. It means a stepping stone.
Have you ever thought about creating language learning videos, but gave up because it seemed too difficult? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make videos just like this in just a few minutes. No fluff. Let's dive right in. Step 1, download HitPaw Edimakor. First things first, grab HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, check the link in the description below. Once you've got Edimakor installed, go ahead and open it up. Then we can move on to the next step. Step 2, create language learning video. Click New Project and import your video. Drag it down onto the timeline. Now pause at the point where you want to explain something and insert a freeze frame. Next, head up to the Audio tab. Click Text to Speech and paste in your script. Don't know what to write? Just ask ChatGPT to generate a clear and simple explanation for you. Once your script is ready, hit Split into Subtitles. This automatically generates neat captions and saves you a ton of time. Now it's time to pick a voice. You can filter by language, accent, use case, gender, or age. You can even use your own cloned voice under My Voice. Once you've chosen, click Generate Speech. Adjust the freeze frame length so it matches your subtitles. You can drag your captions anywhere on screen and customize the style or stick with the default look. Repeat the same steps for each new explanation, and before you know it, your video is done.
学历是找工作的敲门砖。
敲门砖, 敲门砖. In Chinese, 敲门砖, literally a brick for knocking at the door. It means a stepping stone or a means to an end, something you use just to get access or opportunities.
你多一份学历就多一条路。
Here, the word lu does not literally mean a physical road. In this context, it metaphorically means a way, an option or a possibility. Say it again, lu, lu.
Pretty quick and simple, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.